There are still 7 to 8 students though. I have sent in the Google form. Good morning once again. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
There are still 7 to 8 students who have not sent me yesterday's Google form. Please do it today and send it to me.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, please. When you come in the class, come prepare, my dear students. Okay, and there are 50% students are there in the class because time is also 10:15. So what to do, my dear? Every day the teacher has to instruct you the same instruction to come in class on time, come in class on time.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how can we attach a Google form?
No, not to attach the Google form. You need to finish the way you were doing in the grade 4 Google form. Same way, submit it.
But ma'am, I have done today 10 o'clock, so I didn't attach anything.
No, but you were able to submit it, right? I got it, Twishas. I got it. Okay.
Ma'am, she is saying that it will
I got
show
five.
missing in the
Ma'am,
What it
file.
is showing?
It
ma'am.
will show missing. So the,
Why it is showing missing? Because the time was given to you 10 o'clock. If you submit after 10 o'clock, it will show you as a missing, but it is coming to me. I received Migdad also. I received Trisha's also.
yeah, just mark as done if you don't want to like
I will not
make it
able to do as
missing.
a mark as done. You will do as a mark as done.
Yeah, I'm
I
saying
have
that.
done no work attached.
No, you
Yeah, but
better
you will
do.
still do mark as done.
You do better as a mark as done. Okay. So
Okay.
I'll start the class. Please, those who are joining 1 or 2 minutes late, like Jahan Agarwal, Mohit, and Kevna Ekansh, you have joined just now, which is already 2 minutes have passed. Class has already started. Now I'm going to start the class soon. There, please join on time next time. It is very
Yes, ma'am.
difficult to repeat the things again, right? So now
Ma'am,
I am going to start the class. Yes, Rudra.
ma'am, I had left and joined because my mic was not working.
I have not started. I am going to start it now. So now, everyone, please open page number 31 of your textbook. Page number, sorry, not 31, 35 of your textbook. Please open. We are going to do the textbook solutions in the textbook only, and then we start the today's topic. I'm going to present my screen.
Ma'am, you have to sit with notebook.
Textbook, page number 35.
Okay, ma'am.
The present screen is coming or no?
Ma'am, it's visible.
It's visible,
Yes.
ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, it's
not.
visible.
Yeah, it's visible. It's visible. It's visible. I've pinned you. That's why it was not coming.
Wait a minute.
Yes. Ma'am, you're presenting screen stuff. Ma'am, we cannot hear you. No, ma'am. Your mic is off.
Ma'am, you are muted.
It is coming.
Yes, now it is coming.
Now it is coming, ma'am.
I
Okay.
automatically off your
Okay.
camera.
Okay. Please open this page number 35. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It's a
ma'am.
YouTube. It's YouTube.
Yeah, please open the page number 35. On page number 35, the stamps, different stamps are given. And these stamps are drawn on the square paper sheet. So you can easily find the area of these stamps, right? So first question is, Twisha, can you read what is the first question? Twisha, can you please read?
Yes, ma'am. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover?
So what? How many squares does a stamp cover?
18.
18. Can you please count? So you will count one square, or you have the other method of finding the area of this a stamp?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I say the method?
Yes, there. Please tell me.
Ma'am, we can do like that. In one line there are three. So 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
So when from which ended 3, from there we start 1, 2,
Means
3,
in
4,
the row
5.
there are 3. In the row
So
there are
3,
3. And
6
how?
by 18.
Yes.
So 3, 6
In the
becomes 18.
yes, in the row there are 3, and in the column there are 6, and 3 6 are 18. So when, because this is small, you can easily count the squares also. But if it is a big figure, so this method is good to count the squares of one line and count the squares of the rows and column and multiply them. Got it? Write 18 in the box, please. Everyone write 18 in the blank.
Ma'am, can I say the second one? Ma'am, I can say the second
Yeah, and the stamp B. What will come in the stamp B? What is the answer? 8. Yes.
8.
Now, which stamp has the biggest area?
Ma'am, I can tell.
Yes, Lakshya. Please tell me which
Ma'am,
stamp has the biggest.
Stan is covered 18.
Yes. Then, so we can write which stamp has the biggest area. We will write A. So write the answers. A answer is 18. Then for the stamp B, the answer is 8. Then come to the next one.
Where is it to write A?
Here only in the blanks. Here you can draw one line here and write A.
Okay.
Answer B is A. And in the B1, how many squares of side 1 centimeter does the stamp cover? Stamp A cover how many squares? Because it's related to stamp A only.
18.
18. So in the B1, there are two answers, A and 18.
18.
How much is the area of the biggest stamp? 18 square centimeter. Go to the C1. Go to the third one. Which two stamps have the same area? Which two stamps have the same area?
F.
D and F.
D and F.
Yes. And how many squares? How
12
many
square centimeter. 12 square
12
centimeter.
square. So write D and F here and write 12 here. Go to the next one. D sum. The area of the smallest stamp is how many squares?
E. 4.
I'm not asking.
And which is
Yes.
C1? Or
Children, when you mute your mic, then only you will able to listen. C1 is which two stamps have the same area? The two stamps are D and F. Where how much is the area of each of these stamps? That is 12 square centimeter, because this is also 12, this is also 12. They have arranged in the different way, but you know that whether yesterday we have done one video also, right? Whether it is in the rectangular shape or whether it is in the square shape, if the number of the squares are same, means the area of both the objects are same. D1 is the area of the smallest stamp is, mute yourself please. The area of the smallest stamp is, you will not write the E, you will write the area, which is 4. Got it, Rudra Jajadia?
Yes.
So the answer is 4, not the E. They are asking what is the area. So you need to write the area. If they ask which one, then you write the name. Next is the difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest is how many squares? So the biggest one is, which one is the biggest one?
Ma'am, it is 40.
18. And which one is, which one is the smallest? 4. So 18 minus 4 is 14.
14.
Yes.
14.
Now, next question is given last. Collect some old stamps, place them on the square grid and find their area and the perimeter. This will be your home task. What you will do is you will collect some old stamps. If you will not able to collect the old stamps, you can take the notes also, dummy notes also you can take. Let me explain what I am explaining, then you ask your query. Otherwise, then I will forget what I am telling to the students. Students, last question is given, collect some old stamps and place them on the square grid. Means you can take one square shaped paper like graph paper also you can take, or you can take the maths, do the Jajadia sit properly. Or you can take your maths notebook paper also where there are square grids are there. After taking the square grid paper, what you will do, either you can take the dummy notes. If you don't have stamps, you can take the small dummy notes also. So why I am telling you this? So that you can trace them, their area on the square paper. For example, if I have taken any, this is my square grid.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, there, yeah.
This is our homework today.
I will tell you what to do. Yes, this is your homework, okay? If you have taken a square grid paper, whether a maths paper or a graph paper, what you will do, you take the stamps, different stamps. If you have stamps, good. If you don't have stamps, you can take any square, rectangle shaped things, either dummy notes, or when you do Monopoly, there also notes are coming, no, cards are coming small. Take them and trace them on this paper. For example, if I have taken one card and I have traced it here, and this is in the square shape, not in the rectangle. And now tell me, what is the area of that figure? If one square is
4 square centimeters.
4 square
yes, one square is, the area of the one square is 1 square centimeter. So what is the area of this figure? 4 square centimeter. And what is the perimeter of this figure? If I say this is the area, and what is the perimeter if I want to?
Centimeters.
How can the area and perimeter will be the same?
8 centimeters.
8
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because perimeter is the outside. 2 here, 2 this side, 2 this side, and 2 this side. So it will be 8 centimeter. Got it? So this way you can take.
I didn't understand.
This way you can take the different notes, stamps, trace them on the square sheet and find their area and find their perimeter. So the area, if I have taken any square sheet paper, I have traced it. Suppose I have traced it and I got this, and now I want to see the area of this. So the area is 1, 2, 3, 4 square centimeter. I want to know the perimeter of the same figure. So I will count the outside border, which is 2. Here 2 this size, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the perimeter, and the 4 square centimeter is the area. Got it? This way, take the different objects and find their area and perimeter. Clear now, Ayush? Ayush, clear or not?
Ma'am, can you show the
Clear.
answer C?
Answer C. Which 2 stamps have the same area, Samriddhi? Can you see into your book?
Mama, I know it's D and F. We'll write 12 or D and F.
Both you will write. There are 2 blanks given. So in the first one you will write D and F, and in the second one you will write what? Not 12 will not come in the second one. Read the questions what they are asking. Why you believing on that ma'am will show the answer and then I will copy down the answers. Tell me, Samriddhi, what will come in the first one? In the C, first blank. Samriddhi, turn on your mic and tell me what will come in the C, first blank.
Yeah, Mama, I'm saying.
What?
Which 2 stems have the same area?
Yeah.
D and F.
This is your first answer. Read the second now.
How much is the area of each of these stems?
Each of these stems means D ka area and F ka area. So what is the area of D1?
12.
So each one of this, how many, what will come in the blank? We are
12.
not going to add. Yes, 12 will come in the second blank. Got it? This way you need to read the question and understand and find the answer by yourself. Don't believe that ma'am will show us on the screen and we will copy it down. This will not be the solution. Okay, turn on the page now. And this is your today's home task that you will do. Along with the one Google form also I will send. But this also you try at home and explain me tomorrow that ma'am I have collected these cards, I have collected these stamps or these notes and I have traced it on the sheet paper and this is the area, this is the perimeter. You need to explain me tomorrow in the class. Go to the next page, which has the bigger area. I'm going to present it again. Which has the bigger area? One of your footprint or the page of this book. What you will do, again you take the grid paper. Now here you will draw. For example, this is the grid paper, square grid paper, and here you draw your footprint, right? And if you draw your footprint, for example, if it is covering this much area, and you know now, which we have already covered in grade 4 also and in the beginning of grade 5 class also, that how to find the area of these kind of figures. Can you all see my board also? If this kind of figure is coming, if this kind of figure is coming, there are some full squares and there are so you
Mama, in my laptop there is technical issue. I only see in my side camera is off.
Now check.
Now it is on.
Yeah. So if such type of figures are coming where you will get some full squares and some half squares, which we have already done in the grade 4 and which we have already covered in the beginning of grade 5 also, how we will find the area of such figures. So first of all, we will count the full squares. This is 1 full, this is 2, and this is 3. So there are 3 full squares. And the remaining will be converted into the half. 1, 2, cover 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 half squares. To convert the half squares into the full, we divide the 10 by 2 and you will get the 5. So 5
ma'am.
8, ma'am.
10. Mute yourself, please. Yes, it is 8 square centimeter will be the area of these kind of figures. Got it? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up, everyone.
Ma'am?
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, we are on which exercise? We are on which exercise?
We are on page number 36. We are on page number 36. There is a... First of all, mute yourself, Ayush. Your internet faced a lot of issue. And for me also. Page number 36. At the top it is given which has the bigger area. One of your footprint or the page of this book. Or you can take the page of any book and trace it. So whose area will be bigger? The footprint area will be bigger or the page area will be bigger? That also you need to find out. Got it? Yes or no?
And the page area will be bigger than my floor.
Yes, it is obvious the page area will be bigger, but that you try it practically and do it, everyone. Okay? Now, go to the B point, which has the smaller area. 2 5 rupee notes are together 100 rupee or 100 rupee note. This also you will try. You trace the 5 rupee note on the square grid, 2 5 rupee notes, and together. For example, if one note 5 rupee here, one 5 rupee note here, you have traced, and then together find the area of that and find the area of 100
Ma'am,
rupee
but
note.
I don't have 5 rupee note.
Then you take another as an example. You can take 2 rupee note, or you can take.
I just have one note. I don't have two.
Now listen here. Listen here. There, if you have one 5 rupee note, so once you trace the one 5 rupee note, you remove it and you can trace it again.
But it is half dead. Means it is little broken.
See, what is the main basic thing of telling you is not with the only 5 rupee note or with the 100 rupee note or a 500 rupee note or with the 10 rupee note. It's just to explain you the concept of finding the area and the perimeter of the different figures. If you don't have the specific notes which is mentioned here, you take the another currency notes, or you can take the another currency notes of outside of India also and find the area and perimeter of that shapes. Got it? There you now. It is not
Yes,
only
ma'am.
it is not only compulsory that we need to find the area of only the 5 rupee note. Just to explain you that you can take, yes, Rudra, keep it down. Put it down now. It is just to explain you that you can take any Mohit, you are in class now. It is just to explain you that you can take any currency note and you can find the area and perimeter of that. Next is C. Look at the 10 rupee note. C question. Is it area more than the 100 rupee square centimeter? That also you will do by your own. I'll present my screen and I'll show you the questions. That question you will try at home and you will tell me tomorrow. If you don't have the exact things, you try it with the different things. The concept behind is that you should learn the area and the perimeter of the objects. Next is the area of the blue shape more than the area of the yellow shape? That also you will try at home. I don't know why today is in presenting, it is creating a problem. Children, I do one thing, I log out and log in again. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you all hear me now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so what all the questions example, I'll show you the page number, this one, because in presentation it is creating a difficulty to log in. This is the page number 36. You read all the questions one by one and try it at home, right? All the questions which are given on the page number 36, that is based on the trying only, which you will try. Last question, how big is your hand? How will you decide whose hand is bigger, your hand or your friend hand? So what you will do, you will trace your hand, and at the place of friend hand you can take any family member's hand, trace it. You can tell them to, mama, come here, I want to trace your hand. Trace it on the grid paper. For example, this is the grid paper you have taken. Trace it the hand, find your area and hands area and your mother's area, hands area, right? Your friend or your cousin also, your brother, sisters also, you can trace their hand and find their area. This way you can find the area of the different shapes. Now, page number 37 also you will try at home. Whose footprint is larger, yours or your friends? Here also the place of friends, because nowadays you cannot go and meet with your friends. So you take it, your family members, your cousins, your brother, sister, and then you can trace their footprints on the grid. The grid is also given on the page number 37. This is the square grid. So you can take your footprint, your family member footprints here on the grid, and then you can find the area. And you know how to find the area by drawing the different shapes on the grid paper. Yes, tell me, who is saying ma'am?
Ma'am, I.
Yes,
But
please.
ma'am, but I know my cousin's brother leg is smaller than me.
That you know by looking only, right? But if you try it on the grid paper, then you can exactly get how much is your square area and how much is your cousin brother, right?
Ma'am, but his leg
Are
Ma'am,
smaller. That I know. I can exactly tell that your footprints are smaller than my footprint. But when I trace it on the grid paper, I can exactly get the area of my footprint and your footprint. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. So now this was the grid related to the grids. Now I'll show you some different shapes here on the board so that we can find out the area of these shapes. These are irregular shapes. Can you all draw this on your in your notebook with the pencil scale? If I write here 9 centimeter, don't think this is exactly 9 centimeter, but we assume that this is as a 9 centimeter. We take this line as a 9 centimeter length, and this is as a 10 centimeter length, and this is at a 2 centimeter length, and this is as a 6 centimeter length. Okay. This is as a 6 centimeter length.
and now, ma'am,
Now this is not given to you. This is not given to you.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Can we have to draw this in our notebook? Or
Yes.
Is it okay if I just understand and
It's okay if you can understand. Please, better if you draw it in your notebook. I'll draw it again. Please draw it neatly in your notebook so that you can understand it. This is different kind of figure where some...
And now we have to draw this now.
Yes. Where some lengths are missing. In these kind of figures, some lengths are missing, so that how in these kind of figure, how you will find the area and how you will find the perimeter. Please mute yourself. It disturbs me a lot. Someone mic is on. If I say this,
Ma'am, by boxes.
if I say this is 9 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, this line is 2 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter, but I don't know what this is, how much this is. Can you guess and tell me how much this will be? So when we need to find out the area, how to find out the area of these kind of figure. In these kind of figure, what you will do, you will, because you know that the regular shape, to find the area of the rectangle, and to, for just a minute, let me take the attendance.
Ma'am, it will be 38 centimeters.
Wait a minute. As you all know, to find out, children, wait a minute, let me take the attendance.
ma'am, the area is 4 square centimeter.
How can be the area of 4 square centimeter of this much big space?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, see that one which is the straight line, it is 9 centimeter, and that the
And you
small
know
one is-
that this should also be 9 centimeter because this is the opposite of this.
yes,
right.
then -2.
Yes, but this we draw it as a dotted
Ma'am, so
line.
do we have to find the missing numbers out, or do we have to find the total?
Yes.
All.
Yes. First, you need to find, as you know, that in the rectangle, these opposite lengths are equal. So this is 2. This is also to be 2. If this much line is 2, what is the remaining one? Because this complete is 9. This is 2. How much is this one? Please
7
mute
centimeter.
yourself. Mute yourself, Migdad. 7 centimeter. How? Because I have joined this as a dotted line. I made this one figure separate. This is 2. This much line is 6 because out of 10, this is opposite line because this is 6 and then this is also 6. So if this complete line is 10 and you know this much is 6, so how much is this one?
4 centimeter.
If this one is 4 centimeter, how much is this one then? Because it's opposite length. 4 centimeter. Now you got all, yes or no? Now you got, because you have made one rectangle here. These kind of figures you will try to join them and try to observe कि इसमें हम कोई square या rectangle बना सकते हैं क्या कोई चीज join करके. Got it, everyone?
Ma'am, I didn't
Now we
understood
got-
it.
See, this was the figure. Before it was like this, right? But when I joined this, I got the two rectangles, one rectangle A and rectangle B. And if I know this complete line is 9, and if I know the opposite length, if I join with the dotted, so I know this is 2 centimeters, so this is also will be 2 centimeter. If I got this as a 2 centimeter, what will be this length? This will be
9
the
minus 2.
9 minus 2, which is 7. Now I got this also, but now this is remaining. Now I know this opposite length should be same. This much length is 6 centimeter. This is also 6. But the entire length is 10. So if 10 minus 6 we will do, we will get the answer of the remaining length. Yes or no? If
Yes.
this is 4 centimeter, the opposite of this is also will be the 4 centimeter.
Ma'am, but how we can minus 2? I didn't understood when you minus 2.
I join it here, so this is 2, this is also 2. These
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
opposite. Now you got 9 minus 2 is 7. And the entire length is similar to this length. Got it, Dharya?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is the one rectangle A and rectangle B. So can you tell me what is the area of rectangle A? What is the area of rectangle A? Length multiplied by breadth when you do. This is your rectangle A. Can you find the area of rectangle A, children? What is the length in this?
14.
What is the length in this?
14.
How 14? There is the
14.
length is 6 and the breadth is 2. This is the rectangle. 6 multiplied by 2. 6 length and the breadth is 2.
12.
12 square centimeter.
12.
What is the area of rectangle B? This is the rectangle B. What is the area of this rectangle? Length into breadth again.
36.
9 into 4 is 36 square centimeter.
36 square centimeter.
Yes. Now, this figure you have divided into two rectangles. So, by adding the area of two rectangles, you can find the area of the complete figure. 12 plus 36 is 48 square centimeter is the area of complete figure.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
When this type of figures come, I will give you more practice tomorrow in my class. When this type of figure come, you need to observe the figure कि आप कहाँ square बना सकते हैं, कहाँ उस figure को join करके rectangle बना सकते हैं, and how you can find the missing length, right? You need to be more visualize. उसको देख के observe करने का बहुत you need to be like this punctual. कि figure when you observe the figure, how you will find. We do more practice on the basis of this kind of figures tomorrow. When this kind of irregular figures, how you will join them, how you will find the area. Fine. So today I'll send you one Google form based on the stamps activity which we have covered. And then you need to please complete it on time. Got it, children? Any doubt with the today's
ma'am.
activity, this kind of sum, we will ask more sums and more practice in our next classes. Thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.